Hello there, Westside with a royal family. It's your girl Lay of Natural Lay, spiritually known as Luna La Negra. And the divine has a message for us today. Happy 111. I'm so happy and grateful to be here and to deliver this message. So, as you can see, we have some cards on the table, and I pulled a reading earlier this morning. And even as I was about to go ahead and get started with this reading, it didn't even feel like a message specifically or only for me. And so the divine confirmed this by saying to go ahead and share this message. So that is what we are doing. So, as you can see here, we have 6 cards on the table with our underlying energy being the temple path. And with the energy of the cards numerically or in numerology, we have 6, 5, 8, 7, 11, and 9. And even when I woke up this morning, the first thing that I said was that the world feels a little more peaceful today. And right after I said that, I receive a word of the day from dictionary.com, and today's word of the day is Pacific. The definition of Pacific is tending to make or preserve peace. Conciliary. I want to focus on peace today. The divine wants you to know that all is going according to plan. Be peaceful where you are at. Find peace, but know that everything is in divine order. We are going from 6 to 9, so we are coming upon balance. The world is now being balanced. Even with everything that is going on right now in the world, it is all by design, and it is all according to divine plan. And before I continue, I want to give a huge loving shout out to our beloved sister fairy goddess Katie, who gave us this beautiful incense holder. And we are burning the throat chakra incense, which is blue. The throat chakra is blue. And so with blue, we have that water energy, hence the word of the day being Pacific. Immediately, I thought Pacific Ocean, I thought water. And so the divine wants you to know that everything is going according to plan. We have our action card here, the black and the white, the material and the spiritual, finally aligning what we have ever thought, dreamed. It's now being seen and brought down to this realm. And with adjacent possibilities, I'm seeing here that there's a world of opportunities not even about to unfold, but that's already unfolding and that is at your disposal. And pretty much I see this as balance in all areas of your life, especially with this 11 confirming cornucopia. 11 is a master number. We are mastering a cycle, hence this action card. We've been taking action towards the life that we've always envisioned for ourselves. And pretty much what I also see here is that we are going backwards to arrive at completion to propel forward in mastery. And so the divine wants you to know, again, especially with temple path here, 1 plus 2 is 3. There's a lot of changes going on that has to happen. We cannot come about the new world with the old thoughts, with the old feelings, with the old paradigm. The old paradigm is leaving, and we are coming upon an age where I don't want to say the spiritualists win, but we are also coming upon community. We are finding ourselves in a place where we are gravitating to more like-minded individuals, and not even like-minded, I want to say like energied, like auraed, like frequency. And as I just saw 444, you have to know that this is by design. The divine does not want you to fret or be apprehensive or anxious about what's happening. You have to know that this is all by design, and the divine cares for us so much. They know what we want. They know that we desire to be with and surround ourselves with people who understand us, and we're going to come out on top. And another overarching message here is love. We have to raise not only the vibration, but that vibration that needs to be tapped into more now than ever, especially within this new decade, is love. This is a divinely orchestrated change that is opening us up to new opportunities. And so, if you do nothing else today, the assignment that I would like for you to do, that the divine would like for you to do, is to journal what actions can you do to bring in more love and more peace in your life. So that way, that vibration, whenever you encounter a new individual, whether it be a family member, a friend, or even a stranger, they feel that energy and have no choice but to tap into it. I hope this resonates with you. I hope that you find peace in this. I hope that you find solace, but do know this is divinely orchestrated. The divine is now stepping in and taking action, especially with this 8 and 6 and 9. The old has to be out so that way the new can come in. And you, my loves, if you are watching this, no matter when you watch this, this is for you. This is a message for you. So I want you to tap into that red and gold energy, that warm, peaceful heart energy, and know that balance is being restored upon this planet, upon this earth, in this lifetime, in this decade. And I want you to ask yourself, what can I do to be a part, a most beneficial, positive catalyst to ensure that this comes about? Again, I hope this resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, adjust your crown. Know that it will never fall, but stay magical always.